Hey there, back with more. We've covered a lot this week and you are doing great, but let's take a pit stop and review some of the mile markers. Here's a look back at your journey so far. We learned that picking great partners with security-first practices built in is just the beginning. Security is a shared responsibility, one that is always changing and needs constant vigilant monitoring, planning, and advancement as you grow your site traffic and e-commerce success. The key to checkout success is trust, and the key to customer trust is letting them know you put their security first. We learned about the risks of lax security and why you, as an e-commerce site, face even higher risk. We heard about some of the consequences caused by the biggest attacks to hit stores in the last 36 months. Attacks like Magecart and DOM-based cross-site scripting attacks that cost the industry hundreds of millions in losses. That's a lot to learn in a short time, but there's still a little more. Let's talk about what happens next. How are you going to manage all of this? Fortunately, you don't have to. When you added SafeShop by Otto, we immediately went to work. In effect, your job was done. Every page view, every purchase, every corner of your website is now protected automatically. Our easy-to-read alerts keep you up to date on how Otto is protecting your site and shoppers. You can check your dashboard anytime. You can also sign up for our weekly digest to review the recent activity. You'll see the number of page views protected from attacks and malicious behavior blocked. Full details are available, and our support staff is standing by to answer any questions you may have. That's it. If you would like to continue learning about site security, subscribe here to the My Security Minute weekly video series. Perhaps you're a developer or security expert. You can click to subscribe to our advanced series on network and client-side security to learn more about our enterprise technical solutions for DevSecOps teams. Thanks for watching the Road Rules of E-commerce Security, and remember, keep your eyes on the road.
Safe to dance. Oh, it's safe to dance.